You don't need a gym, you don't need equipment, you don't even need an hour. What you need are 9 movements, done every single day, that silently reshape your body, rebuild your joints, and rewire how you feel from the moment you wake up. Most people waste years chasing complicated routines. This is the shortcut they never told you about. 9 exercises, every day. That's it. And the results will shock you. I'm about to give you all 9 with exactly how to do them. So stay until the end, because the last 2 are the ones that people call absolute game changers. But before we jump in, drop a comment right now. Tell me your name and what country you're watching from. I read every single one, and I want to know who's joining this challenge today. Let's build this community together. Ready? Let's go. Quick note before we start. Do each of these for 30 to 45 seconds. Rest 10 seconds between them. One full round takes under 10 minutes. Do it every morning and your body will thank you within a week. Exercise one wide side. Adduction stand wide, slide one leg in and out. Fires your inner thighs and hips, 2 zones. Most routines completely ignore. Feel that pull? That's your body waking up. Exercise 2, prayer squat yoga pose. Feet wide, hands in prayer, sink deep into that squat and hold. Your hips, ankles and knees open up in ways sitting all day destroys. This one move fights years of stiffness. Exercise 3, bear push-ups. Knees hover 2 inches off the floor, now push up. It sounds simple until you try it. Shoulders, chest, core, all firing at once. This is a full upper body reset in one movement. Exercise 4, rocking frog stretch knees wide, rock forward and back gently. Your hip flexors are screaming for this. If you sit at a desk, this is non-negotiable. It decompresses your lower back and opens your groin with every single rock. Exercise 5, hip rolling plank. Hold plank, then rotate your hips side to side in a slow, controlled roll. Normal planks build the front. This builds the sides, the deep stabilizers, the muscles that protect your spine for life. Exercise 6, elevated knee, tuck V-tuck. Hands behind you elevated, tuck knees to chest, then extend into a V. This one is a core destroyer in the best way possible. Lower abs, hip flexors, balance, all tested in one fluid motion. Feel the burn? Good. Stay with it. Exercise 7, plank to pike move. Start in a plank, then push your hips high into a pike, like a moving downward dog. Hamstrings, shoulders, and your entire posterior chain light up. Do this slowly. Control the movement. This is strength and flexibility in one shot. Exercise 8, seated butterfly. Yoga flap sit, press feet together, and let your knees gently flap up and down. Relaxed, rhythmic. This isn't just a stretch. It stimulates blood flow to your hips, relieves pelvic tension, and calms your nervous system. Do this daily, and you'll sleep better, move better, feel better. Exercise 9, leg over knee glute bridge. Lie down, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, then drive your hips up. This is the glute bridge's smarter, more powerful cousin. It targets the glute medius, the muscle responsible for posture, knee health, and lower back stability. If you only do one thing from this list, make it this. It changes everything. 9 movements under 10 minutes every single day. That's the formula. No excuses, no equipment, no gym membership needed. Here's your challenge. Do this routine every morning for just 7 days straight. Come back to this video and tell me in the comments what changed. I promise you, something will. If this helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to move more, and subscribe. Because I drop routines like this every week for people who are serious about feeling their best. 9 exercises. Do them daily. Watch everything change. See you tomorrow.